Hey, happy Wednesday. Look what I have around my neck. Yep, that must mean that this thing is done. Oh yeah. Intonation, neck relief, repaired the output jack, repaired the wiring fiasco inside this bad boy. It's all done. Probably better than the day it was made. I've used a slightly heavier gauge wire, this stuff to be exact, and thing sounds great. Probably a fan of a little band out of San Francisco. I'm not going to say their name. I'm gonna try and play one of Cliff's riffs. Yeah, one of the greatest bass players of all time. What a tragic loss. Anyhow, the bass is playing great. Not a huge fan of how these strings feel, but that's just me. It's a subjective thing. You like coated strings, man, they play great. They look beautiful, isn't that cool? I mean, look at how bright green those bad boys are. My goodness. Really a cool design. Yes, we did lose a little paint on the screws. There's nothing I could do about that. But now it looks road worn, I suppose, if you're into that. My compliments, Mr. Jeffrey, on your bass. This thing is set up great. It's going to give you years of fun. I think it's set up perfectly. I'm really enjoying the way this neck feels. Very cool, kind of a P-bass feeling setup on this thing. The saddles are almost bottomed out on this, so the next time we need to lower that string action, we're likely going to have to put a shim in the neck. But right now, this thing is absolutely perfect. It's a Fender scale neck. We set it up to Fender specs with respect to the string action here at the 17th fret on both the low E and the treble G string. Neck relief is set where it's perfect. I'd tell you what it is, but you know the deal. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Ooh, the Samick green and black. Yeah, baby. Oh, coming at ya. I'm coming to get you. Peace, y'all.